In this frequently asked questions video, we're going to talk about factors that you should look at when choosing an attorney. The first is rapport. How comfortable do you feel speaking to this person? You will be disclosing intimate and personal details of your life, especially in family law or domestic relations cases, and you will rely on them to guide you through often difficult and emotional situations. You should feel comfortable speaking with them and talking about every aspect of your case. The second is listening skills. Is the attorney listening to you? Are they asking about your goals for the case? Are they giving you the time to speak, or are they cutting you off? Do you feel that they're just trying to sell you and retain you as a client, or do you feel that they're actually paying attention to your concerns? The next thing is experience. Is your attorney experienced? It is perfectly okay to ask your attorney how long they've been practicing or if they have experience in your specific type of case. The fourth thing is their personal philosophy or the firm's philosophy on client service and customer service. How long do they take to call you back? How will they keep you updated on the status of your case? And will they let you know if something is not going to happen, or will you have no communication? Hiring an attorney is a financial constraint and can be a financial burden for some people. So your attorney should be communicating with you to help assuage some of that stress that you might be feeling. The next thing is financial transparency, and this is very important. As I mentioned just now, hiring an attorney, it's a financial obligation and it can be burdensome at sometimes. So it's important that at the offset you understand what that financial obligation is. Do you feel comfortable with the fees and costs associated with the case? And more importantly, do you understand the fees and costs associated with your case? Has the attorney clearly explained how much they will charge, including their hourly rate? And do you understand how an hourly rate is deducted from the retainer? How will the attorney or their office keep you informed of your financial obligation? And what happens if you cannot afford to pay your bill? The next thing is emotional intelligence. Again, in family law and domestic relations cases, this is very important. This goes back to the listening and the rapport that you have with your attorney. Family law cases can be very sensitive and very challenging. Do you feel that the attorney will be supportive and understanding? The temperament and emotional intelligence of your attorney is important so they can identify what your specific needs are in relationship to your case. Family law cases are not one size fits all, and each client and each circumstance requires a tailored and thoughtful response. This includes knowing when to escalate a situation and when to de escalate a situation. If you have children involved, this can be very important. Your attorney should not be adding chaos or emotion to your situation, but instead bring some clarity and help you utilize your options and resources to achieve your specific goals. And your attorney should be able to help you keep focused on those goals, even when there is a lot of other things going on in your life or in your case. The next question you should ask the attorney is, how many cases does your attorney have? Now, this is relevant because depending on how many cases they have and how many resources are available, if you are expecting a quick response or a quick action from the attorney, if they are very, very busy and they have a lot of cases, that may not happen. And for some people, that might be okay, but you have to evaluate your own needs and the things that you want out of your attorney or your expectations of your legal representation. If you want a very quick response or would like the attorney to file something immediately, that's a discussion that you should have with them, a very candid discussion about when do they think that they can do what it is you're asking them to do. And the last thing, and something that is personally very important to me, is do you feel empowered not only by your attorney, but by the information that they have provided? One thing that I always ask clients, whether or not they retain me or not, and whether they're just coming in for a consultation, is how they feel after that consultation. Often when you are looking for an attorney or you're meeting with different attorneys to find the one that's right for you, that can be a very stressful, very confusing time. And my goal in a consultation is to be able to give that person the information they need to, one, decide whether or not they even need an attorney, two, decide if I'm the right attorney for them, and three, to know what their options are, to try to bring some calm and some clarity to the chaos that they might be feeling. So it is very important for me and for McGuire Law that all of our clients and even those who come in for a consultation feel that they left with information and that they feel empowered by that information to be able to make choices that are best for them. We hope that this video was helpful, and we look forward to you joining us on the next Frequently Asked Questions video.